M-A-T-H, math.
Hi, I'm Andre Madarang and I'm going to teach you about the domain and its intersects.
I am Isaiah Magto, and I am going to teach you how to get the horizontal and vertical asymptotes, as well as checking for the exceptions.
Hi, I'm Jasini and I'm going to teach you the critical numbers and the table of values. In finding the critical numbers, you must equate all factors to 0 and find the values of x. In plotting the table of values, you need to use the critical numbers. Arrange these critical numbers in ascending order and draw circles below them to indicate their points on the x-axis. Then, I'm going to shade -9 and 6 only. Why? Because x can never be 0 since the equation will become undefined if the denominator is 0. Now, onto the test numbers. I need to find any number that satisfies the requirement of the table. For example, in column number 1, any number that is less than -9 can be used as a test number, such as -10, -11, -12, -13, so on and so forth. But now, we'll use -12. Next, you must substitute those numbers to x in the following equations. For example, in 6 minus x, you must substitute x with -12, so 6 minus -12, and the answer would then be positive. Do this for all other columns in the graph. And divide the signs of the answers. For example, positive divided by negative is negative. Negative divided by positive is negative. Negative divided by negative is positive. Then do this for all other columns. The end answer will then determine the position of the graph, whether it's located below the x-axis or above it. A positive sign indicates that the graph is located above the x-axis, while a negative sign indicates that the graph is located below the x-axis. Hi, I'm Lance, and I'm going to teach you the graphing of rational functions.
That wasn't so hard now, was it? Well, come here. Oh. After looking for the intercepts, the asymptotes, exceptions, the critical numbers, and the table, you may start with your graph. Now, you would want to draw yourself a Cartesian plane. And then after finding all those things, you would start to plot the intercepts. And then after that, you would want to draw your asymptotes. Now, in this particular rational function, we have two vertical asymptotes, f9 and -6. And we have one horizontal asymptote at 1 over here. So, now that we have all of those, we can get an image of what the graph may look like.
MATH, math.